Okay, so here's how to make a GIF from a video. So the first step is to head over to VEED.io. All you have to do is type in VEED in Google, which is VEED, and then click on the first link. And then we're taken on to VEED. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. So to begin turning our video into a GIF, all I'm going to do is click on Create New Project, click on Upload a File, and then find the video that I want to turn into a GIF or the video that has the section that I want to turn into a GIF. So here I've got this little skate clip. I click Open. As you can see, it's uploaded into VEED. And now if I press play, as you can see, a nice crooked grind. So this is my GIF, but I want to make a few changes to it. I don't want my GIF to be horizontal, I want it to be square. So we want the 1:1 aspect ratio. To change this, in the settings tab for the size, I'm just gonna go and click square 1:1. And then as you can see, we've got these black bars on the top and the bottom, and I'm just gonna drag my video so it fills out these blank spaces, just like so. And now I've got a square video, and if I play it back, as you can see, there's a few parts in the video where I'm actually not in the frame at all and it just feels a bit empty and long. So I want to cut these out. To do so, I'm just going to find the point just before I enter the frame right here and then just click and drag my clip and it snaps to the playhead. Once I've done that, I need to make sure that I drag my video back to the beginning of the timeline, otherwise you'll see there's some blank video. So if I just click and drag it, as you can see, now my video starts from 0. Then I just need to do the same thing at the end as soon as I leave the frame, so about here. This time, I'm just going to click the split button, right click on the video that I want to remove and click delete. So now, as you can see, I've got this nice looping effect on my video, which I'm going to turn into a GIF. The last thing I'm going to do to customize it is just add a bit of text. So I just click on text, click on this headline preset, and then I'm just going to type in crooked grind, just like so. And I'm going to adjust the length of my text just by clicking on the stopwatch here and then just dragging it out a little bit so my text lasts for the entire duration of the GIF. If not, what I could do is just drag it so it only appears while I'm actually in my grind. So like this, if I click play, I might leave it like that because I think it actually looks pretty good. And now to turn my video into a GIF, all I'm going to do is click export. Here I'm going to select HD quality, just the preset, click export video. Then VEED renders my video, or should I say renders my GIF. And now, as you can see here, we've got 3 options. We've got the share option, we've got the edit video option, and then download MP4 option. But if we click on this little drop down arrow, we can actually download it as a GIF. So now if I select this and click download as a GIF, as you can see, I'm just going to show this in my folder. I've got my skateclip.gif. And if I drag this into Google Chrome, as you can see, we've got my GIF. And that's how to make a video a GIF.